system, typically A9 algorithm is what they use to decide how products are really ranked in their search results. It uses keywords in really deciding which results are the most relevant to the customer searches, and displays them first. So this it's quite similar to actually Google search algorithm, I would say, but there's one key difference. Amazon actually puts more emphasis on sales conversions, and unlike Google, Amazon is a business and they are interested in promoting products that are more likely to end up in a sale. So I rank products which have a good, strong sales history, conversion rates, and all of that. Now, also one thing to remember that products that are really highly ranked will receive better traffic and thus will have better chance of generating higher sales and conversions, of course. So high sales figures will in turn boost your product ranking. So it does kind of go on. It's like a wheel, right?
Hey, it's Riya Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to Seller App's main YouTube channel where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.